Hello and welcome in Arunav's online chemistry classes. Today we are going to discuss about some of the important topics of chemical kinetics. The first question is derive the expression for the rate constant of zero order reaction and mention its SI unit. So first of all we have to understand what is zero order reaction. The chemical reaction whose rate is independent upon concentration of the reactant and depends upon some other factor are known as zero order reaction. For example, methane reacts with chlorine. The reaction is always carried out in presence of UV light and the product will be CH3Cl plus HCl. The rate of this reaction is independent upon concentration of methane and chlorine but depends upon the light. Therefore, this reaction is also known as zero order reaction. For example, another reaction we are taking N2 plus 3 molecule of H2. These two are exist in the gaseous form and there is a catalyst. Platinum is required. It results the formation of two molecule of ammonia which is also exist in the gaseous form. The rate of this reaction is also depends upon the catalyst Pt. Therefore, this reaction also categorized as zero order reaction. Simply we have to understand all those chemical reaction whose rate is independent upon concentration and depends upon external factor like light or catalyst are known as zero order reaction. For zero order reaction we have rate of reaction directly proportional concentration of the reactant to the power n. N represents the order of the reaction. So R proportionality replaced by constant and reactant to the power n. N is the order of reaction and for zero order it is 0. Reactant to the power 0 becomes 1. So it will R is equal to K. R is the rate of reaction. R stands for rate of reaction and K stands for specific rate constant. So we can say that for zero order reaction, rate of reaction become equal to the rate constant, rather specific rate constant. Now let us try to find out the expression for K. Let us consider a general reaction of following type. A changes into B taking place in presence of light and rate equal to rate directly proportional reactant A to the power 0. It becomes R is equal to K. Rate means we know that decrease in the concentration. A represent concentration, so it is minus dA by dt equal to K. Now we can write this in the given form minus K dt. If we consider this equation as a 1, then integrating the above equation, both sides we have integration of dA become concentration of A minus K integration of dt is equal to T and plus I represent the integration constant. I is the integration constant, and at t equal to 0, when there is no change in time, the concentration A become A0. A0 or A0 is the final concentration. Putting this value in equation 2, we get the value of I become A0. Now putting the value of I in equation 1, we have concentration of A minus kT plus A0. We can write the equation minus kT when comes into the LHS, it becomes kT, and A0 or A0 minus A. So K is A0 minus A by T. This is the required expression of rate constant for 0 order. Now we have to find out SI unit of K. So it become K. Concentration minus concentration become concentration. Unit of concentration is mole liter inverse, and time second. So it become mole liter inverse second inverse. For nth order reaction, we can find out the SI unit of K by using this general formula. This is K equal to mole liter inverse 1 minus n second inverse. N is the order of reaction. If we put the value of n for a given reaction, then we can find out the SI unit of K. So this is very, very important question for BSc semester 4 generic student. So for them it is very, very important. So they must look after this question. Every day I will upload a one question which is really very important in terms of your examination. I hope that all of you have enjoyed the class, and if you like my lecture, then you can subscribe my channel and make like, make comment and share more and more. Thank you.